Guys, I'm about to cook because I am so hungry, man. Look, this is going to be a good meal. Remember I said this is going to be fried pork chops with baked beans with, oh, this is going to be so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my beans first. So this bacon will have time to cook and marinate in the beans so it can be nice and good. That's where I'm starting at. All right, you're going to need some butter, okay? Get your butter. Bam. The butter that I paid $7 damn for. Look at those beans, y'all. Oh my gosh. I would eat it just like this. Look at all that flavor in them beans. Oh, good old beans. Oh. Bam. You want to add a little bit of sugar. Definitely. I grew up eating sugar with my beans. That's just how I grew up. I could not eat beans without adding a little sugar to it. You don't want to overdo it, but you want to taste the sugar a little bit, but you don't want to overdo it with the sugar, okay? Oh, this is going to be good, y'all. Oh, that's going to be good. All right, now I got to cut this bacon up so we can get that bacon in there so we can have time to cook on low. Hold it over here a little bit. And you're just going to cut that bad boy up in them beans, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got all the bacon in. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. Mix it up. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, it does. Alright, once you mix it up, you're just going to let that bad boy cook for a while, alright? At least a good hour and a half, alright? Voila. Alright, y'all, this is the breading I will be using for the, this is what I'm using for the pork chops. Y'all know how that go. I was going to use regular flour, but I like this better, so we're going to be using this. But first, before we put the pork chops in the seasoning, guys, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning to ourselves. So we're going to add some garlic salt and season all, okay? Oh shit, I made a mess. Why do I can never cook without making a mess, and I hate it. Damn, every time. Every damn time. So you want to go ahead and get that in there on there really good, okay? Because this is some really good stuff. Oh, I should have cut that. I need to cut. That's going to cook raw wrong. I need to cut that down the middle. Just cut that back because that's going to cook all awkwardly, and I hate that. All right, here we go. Into the frying pan. Woo. You're gonna let that bad boy cook. Can y'all see that? Bam. You want to cook these for about a minute or two on each side because they're thin pork chops. Time to flip. Remember, these are thin pork chops, so you don't want to cook them overcooking, guys. Alright, we're going to flip one more time for like 30 seconds. Ooh, look at that pork chop, y'all. Look at that pork chop. Look at that good old pork chop. Alright, my beautiful people, I am done dinner. Look at those pork chops. Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, there go the baked beans with the maple bacon, extra maple bacon. And there we go, y'all. Now I got to do a taste test for y'all. So let's get that taste test. Alright, y'all. These are my pork chops. Here with the baked beans. I cannot wait to eat. I don't want to make a mess. As y'all can see the extra bacon in there. Oh, ho, ho. Watch I make a mess. I'm going to make a mess. I'm going to make a mess. I always make a mess. It never fails. I should have got a bigger spoon, but this will do. What a almost. God damn it. Dinner, y'all. Oh man, except for the little spot right there. Let's get a piece of that pork chop. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells really good. Here go the taste test. That is really good, y'all. Really, really good. Good night, y'all.